Okay. Let's go north. Maybe I'll try working this eastern shoreline here. That was another bite. Got one. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a nice one. Look at this breed. Ooh. This one feels big. All right. Yeah, that's a. This was a hard fighter. This one fought hard for its size. Yep, just let them fight a little. Okay, you got it. Nice. Okay, just yeah.
What is it?
Here, give me some slack. It's a largemouth. Okay, there's the fishy copper. Nice. Was that fun?
Yeah. Can we do that again?
Sure.
I'm sorry, buddy.
Okay, give me some slack. There. Yeah, nice. Good job, Bree. All right, ready to run back? Okay.
Wait, I almost killed you.
Isn't that fun? Decent one. Got one. Wait. I don't know. Yeah, I think I got one. Yeah. Okay. Woo! That one sprayed me. Back to back. All right. About the same size as the last one. It like barely took it. No, I got it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Woo. All right. Number 6. Holy smokes, man, you just inhaled that. Holy cow. There's no gators in here, Bree. Just a little guy, but yeah. What?
I'm telling you.